Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to discuss with you why dealing with wage levies are so difficult. The reason that wage levies are so difficult to deal with is because it's really so time sensitive. And by that I mean, when you receive a levy on your wages, by definition, your employer is required to honor that levy, to deduct money from your paycheck at the appropriate amount and remit it to the IRS the next time that you get paid. So what that means is when you get a levy on your paycheck, it might turn out to be that your next paycheck is in a week, which means you only have 1 week to solve the problem. It might be that you get paid every 2 weeks, so the maximum that you might have is 2 weeks to solve the problem if they receive the levy at the very beginning of the pay period. The problem becomes, in many instances, if you have an IRS problem, if you got to the point where you have a wage levy and you're looking for an acceptable solution to the IRS, you have some unfiled returns. And to get some type of acceptable solution to the IRS, you have to be current on all of your filings. That means you need to get all of the wage and income transcripts, all of the income that was reported to the IRS, and you need to pull together all of your deductions, your itemized deductions and things such as that, so that you can prepare those tax returns. The problem is we have maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks. It just really depends upon your employer when they receive the levy and when your next paycheck is. So to answer the question, what makes solving these wage levy problems so difficult is simply that we're on a very short time frame. We're usually only on a 1 or 2 week time frame. Sometimes we can turn it around that quickly and get the wage levy released before it's honored by the IRS and let you keep 100% of your paycheck. And sometimes the wage levy is going to be in effect for a pay period or two, depending upon how long it takes for us to pull together the tax return information, pull together the collection information that the IRS needs to enter into some type of satisfactory arrangement. Thanks for stopping by, watching today. Look forward to talking to you again real soon.